Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer money with Revolut, a popular digital banking app that allows users to send and receive money across the globe. To get started, you need to download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device and create an account. Once you have created your account, you need to add a payment method, such as a debit or credit card, to fund your Revolut account. You can do this by going to the app's dashboard and clicking on the Add Money option. To transfer money, go to the app's dashboard and click on the Transfer option. You will be asked to enter the recipient's details, including their name, email address, and phone number. You can choose to send money to another Revolut user or to a bank account. If you are sending money to a bank account, you will need to enter the recipient's bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Revolut allows you to send money in different currencies, and the exchange rate will be displayed before you confirm the transfer. You can also choose to send money at the current exchange rate or at a fixed rate. Before you confirm the transfer, make sure to review the transaction details, including the amount, recipient's details, and exchange rate. Once you have confirmed the transfer, the money will be sent to the recipient's account. It is worth noting that Revolut charges a small fee for international money transfers, but the fee is typically lower than what traditional banks charge. Additionally, Revolut offers real-time exchange rates, which means you can get the best possible rate for your transfer. To keep your account secure, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. In conclusion, transferring money with Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can send money across the globe quickly and securely. Remember to always review the transaction details before confirming the transfer, and take advantage of Revolut's competitive exchange rates and low fees.